sees what he likes, he's going for it.
All right, so
well, we're watching for it. Give us a countdown.
He's only a few hundred feet.
Only Miles knows what Miles is going to do.
So Thunderbirds,
I bet you're right.
Yeah, Thunderbirds heads up. If you're walking around down there, Miles is about to jump out. We'll see what's going to happen.
Yeah, you may want to stop those vehicles.
I think Miles counts up to 18,000 jumps.
Oh, man. Oh, no.
Oh, yes. All right.
Come on, we gotta see a chute. There's a little chute, there's a bigger chute. Oh, man. Ladies and gentlemen, the cool thing about the sound, the ground doesn't reflect sound very well. He can hear you clearly. Give it up for Miles and let him know how much you appreciate that. He's still not got the chute open. He finally got it open.
All right, A-10 guys, watch out. Here
A-10
comes Miles. T-Birds. Yeah, heads up. Miles is coming down.
Make some noise, everybody!
Right down there.
Jeez, I'm gonna need a new pair of pants.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, listen to the Red Bull adrenaline. There's Kirby Sanders popping up in the Cobra maneuver. As Miles gets his breath.
It won't take him long. They got a microphone for him over here.
He's going to come up here like a little ball of energy that he is. This guy, he is never, does he ever sit still?
No,
I
you're
didn't think
about
so.
to, you just, when he gets up here, we gotta give him some room.
Make a wide, here he comes, look at this.
And here he comes, ladies and gentlemen.
Running on up here.
I think he
I can hear him already. He's already hollering.
Ladies from our left, Kirby Chambliss in his X540 doing circles around Aaron Fitzgerald in his BL-105. And this special helicopter is equipped with a titanium cap to hold the rotors. And this helicopter has balls. Called oscillating dampers, which help to take out the vibrations in the rotors so that he can do tricks, pretty much anything that an airplane can do. And here he comes right now, going straight up into the sky. You don't see helicopters do this every day. Woo! Hammerhead in conjunction right there with Kirby Chambliss. Ladies and gentlemen, Aaron Fitzgerald started out not as a helicopter pilot, but then became one. And here he comes over the top. Woo! Yes, Aaron Fitzgerald, he's a full-time helicopter pilot nowadays. Here he is again, upside down, over the top, spinning it around. I believe that's called an Immelman right there. Oh, what do I know? I'm just a skydiver base jumper.
He's rolling the helicopter, Miles.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, man.
Yes, Aaron, he does amazing things. When he's not doing this, he's out fighting fires with helicopters. But today, he's living the dream. This is what he loves to do. As a professional helicopter pilot, he does make movies with his film crew. They have one of those Cineplex cameras. They go around and they make all kinds of rad videos for movies and for that special video. I'm on a boat, which is one of my favorites. And here he is right now, living the dream, getting upside down.
Oh, man. That just doesn't look right.
Oh, but it is right. You should feel it, actually. I've had the opportunity to ride along with Aaron Fitzgerald, and when he's doing these moves, you can actually set a Red Bull on the dash, and it'll stay put. Oh, except for that one. I think that's the whippy flip right there, or the hoopty whoop.
All the names that they come up with these things. I don't even know how you come up with the names.
I think I just made that one up, actually. So the Humpty flip, that's it. The Humpty flip. Yeah, I kind of messed that up. But here we are recovering. And much like Aaron in the helicopter, there's another Humpty flip over the top where he kind of almost stalls out and then pulls back and gets it around all the way upside down.
So we've seen him pull back, we've seen him roll, but he's actually figured out also how to pitch the thing forward and do a forward flip, which is nuts.
True, it doesn't even make sense, you know, like physiologically, astronomically. It's just what he does is kind of unreal. I love watching it. It's a good time, and being in the cockpit with him, you don't pull as many G's as you would think. It's only about 1.8 G's to about 0.3 G's. So you get pretty light at times, but you don't really pull more than twice push your own body weight. Like right there. Whoa, what just happened on that one? That's the Immelman right there.
That's the rollout, yeah. So up he goes again, and a real tuck in as he flips it over again.
Woo.
And he's building up a little energy here, and let's see if he's setting up for a forward tumble.
He has so much fun with this helicopter that he is constantly innovating now and inventing moves.
Well, creative license when you've got to look. There it is, the forward, unbelievable! Throwing it forward.
That's pretty amazing. I think the blades of the helicopter help spin that around halfway. I'm pretty sure that's how that works.
That's how helicopters work, by having rotating wings and not fixed wings. So those four wings are whipping around, changes. He throws it forward again, and this time right inverted and spins it around on the way down.
I think he may have spilled his Red Bull on that one.
That may be.
The one on the dash. Yeah.
This next time, get your hands in the air, start waving them around, and show some appreciation for the amazing Aaron Fitzgerald, the Red Bull helicopter.
Yeah, take a bow, Aaron. Thank you, Kansas City. Woo!
Outstanding. And as he exits, I can hear up there, just under the cloud base, that Kirby Chambliss is chafing at the bit. He wants to get into the aerobatic.
Youngest person to become captain for Southwest. I believe he still holds that record. And here he comes, diving in faster than a speeding ticket, Kirby Chambliss. And he's pulling a lot more G's in this aircraft than Aaron Fitzgerald in the helicopter. That's my favorite move, where he turns the wing into the body and the body into the wing as he pitching it over.
I don't know if you remember I'm trying to remember the Ryan Reynolds movie.
Oh, yeah.
6 Plus, whatever. At the beginning of the movie,
He's actually wearing snap roll, and he's actually wearing Kirby's helmet, I believe, in the movie.
and out of that has come the contagious thing called aviation.
Look at that.
Ryan's pursuing it now. Look at
Oh,
this.
yeah. Turning himself into a helicopter and mimicking Aaron Fitzgerald right there. Just kind of showing him he can do this trick as well.
Faster, speeding up the roll.
Yeah, Kirby has a runway in his backyard, and he basically wakes up in the morning and walks out, kicks the tires, lights the fires, and gets out and pulls G's for breakfast. He says 10 G's he still feels comfortable with that. Snapping 10 G pulls.
It's staying in shape.
10 times your body weight. It does take a lot of physical activity to keep your head in the game when you're pulling that many G's.
Inverted negative G's now. Oh, that's just not good.
Snapping it straight up.
I have to say, too, that his ranch in the middle of the desert, which is a great place for not only flying, but skydiving, which he does, I'm not going to say as well as you do, Mike, but he is definitely part of the team.
Be better than me. Kirby, he is quite the skydiver, and his wife has actually been a skydive pilot, a jump pilot.
And what about his daughter?
And his daughter rips Carly. She shreds in a wind tunnel. Amazing flying family all the way around. And yeah, Kirby, we've done stunts for a web series. If you ever get time to check out YouTube, go to series on that, where Kirby joins us skydiving, where he's actually riding on top of Luke Aikens on his wingsuit called a rodeo. And then he loved hanging out and rocking with our team so much that he even joined us up in Twin Falls, Idaho, and took up base jumping with us off the Prime Bridge.
Wow. And that is one of the longest tail slides you're going to see here today. Forever before he decided to lose the tail. Flying backwards.
Yeah, that's pretty much my favorite move, where you turn the airplane into a helicopter and just hang it in the sky and then slide it backwards. And if you go too fast, I believe that tail might just rip right off.
He could.
The wrong direction.
Got to put it on numbers. Here he is sliding. Maybe we're going to see another Cobra here as he gives you a wing. There it is again. Such a showman. And the perfect representation of Red Bull because he's got just that right amount of attitude. As we watched him in the Red Bull race, a two-time world champion in the Red Bull Air Race Series, and some of the most colorful language that we ever heard out of pilots in those live broadcasts because he's so competitive.
And up and away he goes.
Those snap rolls, too.
Those really make you feel the harness. I've been up with Kevin Coleman in the two-seater, and oh boy, that harness, they get you in there pretty tight. And those seatbelts really do
Just bruises afterwards.
Yeah, seriously, you'd come flying out of the cockpit in a heartbeat if it wasn't for those like 1,000-pound rated seatbelts that hold you into that bucket seat in there. Oh, here he is. What is that, front looping?
That's exactly around the wing he goes. If you remember, I keep going to the movies, and I'm trying to think of her name, the comedian. There's a famous scene. Car jerks the wheel to the right to wake her up and smacks her head in a body sitting out of the window. That's what it's like all the time when they're doing these snap rolls. I mean, it's you're strapped in, but your neck and your head takes a beating as well.
Yep, you got to keep it together. You got to be strong in the harness. That's just kind of the name of the game in this sport.
I love every aspect of this. The Red Bull Airforce is a whole act unto itself. You own the airspace for this amount of time. The jumpers, you, Miles, and these signature moves from Kirby and Aaron Fitzgerald, it all comes together. And look at that.
Stoked to be on the greatest team and at the KC Airshow right now, the Garmin KC Airshow, having a great time. We'll be out for some high fives in a little bit.
Quick math. The followers that you guys have on social media, you're in the millions alone.
Sure.
If you were to add it all up.
Something like that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you are.
I was a PE major. I was trying to get away from math.
Yeah.
Major. Come on, Miles.
And then they throw statistics at you, and you're like, what? I thought I was a PE major on purpose.
Watch Kirby now. Don't take your eyes off what's happening out front here right now because he's lining up. He's down and he's up again. And then off to the side to get ready to recover.
Yeah, and if you want to see more of this high-flying action, go to YouTube, check out Miles Above, and we've got 3 different series, about 8.
And the grin.
That's right. Oh, yeah.
There he is.
Coming in hot. Kirby Chambliss, ripping it up like NASCAR.
What this day needs is more smoke. That's right.
Yeah.
Well, nice job, Miles. Love having you out here, man. This has been a lot of fun.
My pleasure. It's been great. Thanks for having us, and enjoy the Garmin KC Airshow. Woo!
Actually, you got a camera on your wrist.
Yeah.
You got the Garmin kit going here too, and everything. You are just completely kitted up.
Capture the moment, live the dream. You know, you can find on Instagram, Red Bull Airforce.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. That's where we can find it, right?
Oh yeah. We're about to load up all the videos from today here shortly.
All right, dude.
Thanks, gentlemen.
right,
Miles
Miles,
You guys are awesome.
Love you, partner. Talking about Garmin, we wouldn't be here without Garmin.
We certainly would not. The folks at Garmin have changed the world with respect to the in-car GPSs that we have. Leaders